Okay, let's cut that out. Can enjoy. So I found this brand on Instagram and I decided to order a few meals from them to try out. If you feel like you don't have enough time to cook and you want to enjoy some healthy meals, that is what Musclefood is for. You can order high in protein and healthy meals from them. So in my first order I got 10 different meals. Shipping was free and I got £10 off. So all I paid for these 10 meals was £30 altogether. The website is called preppedpots.com. You can select different plans and depending on how many meals you are going to order, you can get a different amount off. So for example, if you get 14 meals, you can save £20. If you get 20 meals, you can save £30, which is really good. You get to select the number of meals that you want. You can also decide if you want these to be delivered frequently, weekly, every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks. They have a lot of different meal options and I found it really easy to pick from them something that I like. So I'm going to try out the first meal, which is this high protein chicken breast and long grain rice with banana sauce, butternut squash and green beans. This is only 358 calories per serving. This is what the meal looks like. I actually ordered this for you because I think it's spicy and it's like Caribbean kind of seasoning. It's there in the package.
I'm not really into Caribbean food though.
Ah. Oh my god, the butter is dying. Quickly try it.
Alright. What is this? Is this tofu?
Chicken. The butter is going to die. What do you think? Try more. Try that sauce thing.
Hot. It's hot. Chicken is tasty.
I like it. What do you think about the portion? I know like for you it's small, but...
Decent portion.
Oh, okay. I think this is the kind of portion I should be eating, not really big ones, and then I feel like I can't move, I'm so full.
Actually not bad, it's alright.
Okay. So tonight we are going to be trying this falafel in tomato and bean stew with apricot, lemon and coriander giant couscous topped with charred red peppers. To be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of falafel, but it looks like something that's really healthy and I also wanted to try some dishes that I don't usually eat. This dinner was quite nice. I actually really enjoyed the falafel, but I would say that altogether the meal was a little bit dry for me. I had a really busy day today, so I'm really glad that I still have some of these healthy dinners in my fridge. This meal is the high protein fajita chicken, which is with rice and veggies. And I'm actually glad that the portion is not too big because it's quite late, so I don't want to eat too much. I have no idea, this is going to be a bit spicy, but it's not too much. I think I can handle it. I wouldn't say this is my favorite out of all the dishes I ordered, but it's quite nice. This is what I had for lunch at work. It was with chicken, rice and chorizo. It was actually really nice and creamy. I really love the flavors and it was very filling as well. Then the next day I had the beef ragu, which was actually my favorite out of all these meals. And for dinner I tried the butter chicken with potatoes. I think the potatoes were quite dry, so I didn't really enjoy this meal that much. So I have 3 more of these meals left that I am going to try with my little helper Zara. The first dish is with chicken, rice, in a black bean sauce with green beans, carrots and red peppers. The second one is also with chicken, one of our favorite source of protein. So this one is with chicken, rice in a sweet chili sauce with carrots, green peppers and sweet corn. And the last thing that I'm going to try is a mushroom ragu, which I actually think me and Zara tried once and she really liked it. But I think that one might have been with beef, I'm not quite sure. But that was actually one of my favorite meals out of all of them. So here's my little helper, Zara. Going to be trying some food with me. Which one should we start with?
This one.
Okay, so that one is with sweet chili, chicken.
I don't like chili.
Carrot, but it's sweet chili.
I'm a little helper.
Let's see. Tiny bit spicy. But it's really nice. I actually really like this. Not too dry, doesn't taste too heavy or boring. If you look at it, I would say this chicken looks quite boring. Looks like it has no seasoning or anything on it.
I think
but
it does.
it's really tasty. It actually tastes really good and it's not too dry. This is going to be my dinner.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. My dinner for sure. It's very nice. Now let's try the rice with black bean and chicken. This one looks a bit more boring and dry. Smells like black bean. You don't like it? You wanna try this one? Just a little bit. Try the chicken and carrot.
I'll taste it when I smell it.
It was hot. This was actually spicy, but I really can't handle spice, so that's just me. For other people, it wouldn't be. Actually, that doesn't taste bad at all. And I take it back, it's not dry. It really doesn't taste dry. It's actually quite nice, and I'm surprised. The portions seem to be quite small, but to be honest, I took some of these for work, for lunch, and they are quite filling, so I wouldn't say it's too small unless you're someone who eats a lot, but for me personally it was more than enough. So this is actually the only meal that I got 2 of. So we already tried this before. Zara actually really liked it, and I liked it too. And this one is really creamy, so it's quite nice. This meal, for example, is only 408 calories and it has 26.4 grams of protein in it.
Maybe. I don't know.
That ragu sauce is so good.
This
I would actually love to have this same dish with beef. I think it would be really nice.
Yeah, I would like this with beef too.
I love mushrooms, so I don't mind having it just with mushrooms. This type of pasta as well is so nice. I think this is my favorite dish out of all of them. Love it, don't you? Hey, so what did you think of all of these dishes that you tried?
Well, I think that I give the 1 is the best, and then the 3 is the one I like.
No, 10 is the best.
Also, I give this a 10.
Okay, so
This is 9 and this is 8, which means 8 is the worst.
Okay, so to be honest, I was really happy with the last 3 dishes that we tried, but there were some other ones that were not really my favorite. I found them a bit boring, a bit dry, and they were just not really the type of food that I usually like. I would definitely recommend Musclefood. I was happy with most of the meals, and I would be happy to try some different dishes as well.
Yeah, I think I would like them.
So if you are busy with work or other stuff and you don't really have the time to cook, or you just want to have a few dishes prepared in your fridge or freezer for busy days, then I would definitely recommend Musclefood. If you want to lose weight and eat healthy, this is something that could really help. If you want to try some of these meals, I'm going to leave their website and all their information in the description box for you. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.